Sheryl Duncan Jewelry presents itself as a heartfelt, artisan-driven brand, claiming years of dedication to creating meaningful pieces that capture moments, emotions, and memories. The story behind the brand emphasizes a personal workshop where each piece is crafted with care, skill, and love for both the art and the people who wear the creations. According to the site, the founder is closing this chapter of her journey, offering one final collection as a lasting legacy. Currently, the store is promoting a closure sale with deep discounts, up to 80% off, and additional percentage-based savings when purchasing multiple items. These offers are framed as a limited-time opportunity for customers to own a piece of this final collection. Trust and reputation concerns. While the brand's story is appealing, there are significant trust issues to note. According to Trustpilot, SherylDuncan.com has a trust score of 2.5 out of 5 based on a small number of reviews. More concerning is Scam Advisor's evaluation, giving the website a trust score of 1 out of 100, labeling it as highly suspicious. Reports such as the one from Ian Pint Size suggest that the site might be a potential scam. Additionally, the domain is only about 3 months old, which is often a red flag for online stores. What buyers should keep in mind: extremely low trust rating from Scam Advisor, mixed customer feedback with some warning reports, recently registered domain, making it harder to establish a long-term reputation, heavy discounts that could be used to entice impulse purchases. Verdict: despite the touching brand story, the combination of a very low trust score, limited history, and scam warnings means shoppers should approach SherylDuncan.com with caution. If considering a purchase, use secure payment methods, avoid large orders, and research further to ensure a safe shopping experience.